Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarket. I'm going to give you here a video of a 2014 Moffett sitting here showing 2,256 hours. Now, this has brick and block forks, but we can go ahead for free and switch you out for pallet forks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is very nice condition. It's been refurbished and repainted. Now, when we repaint these, we take off the roll cage, the seat, the hood, the back door, the battery cover, the diamond plating here. As you can see, many of these plates are removed. That way we can paint it separately, put it all back together so you have a nice finish in between. You have a brand new decal kit as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we also go in here and pressure and leak test it. If we find anything bad, such as hoses, cylinders, wheel motors, anything leaking, it's gone ahead and been fixed. Wearable items such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, rollers, anything of that matter that is bad, we go ahead and replace it. If it checks out, we leave it go. Now, it also has brand new filters and oil. We've hit this thing hard to take care of it for you. Now take a look here at this V2203 Kubota. Excellent engine, proven engine, long lasting. Let's take a look at the back here. Look how clean everything is. Just like new. You got a date coded filter here. You can hit the ground running. Now, we're so confident of our refurbishment process. What we do is we'll give you an operational guarantee. What that simply means is you can watch this video, look at the pictures, buy it, and if it's not like we've said in the video, there's something wrong, we'll help you get it fixed. That's very short term, just when it shows up, no disappointments. Then your operational guarantee is over. But we'll take it a step further, ladies and gentlemen. What we'll do is we'll back up this Kubota engine for 30 days. Now we're gonna go ahead and fire it up and show you some operations. So here's your Kubota engine coming to life. Now we're going to go ahead and show you the mass going up and down. Tilt. Side shift. Mass going in and out. Outriggers. Now we'll drive it around and show you how nice it operates. You have all your motors in sync, your steering's tight, all your lights are working. Backup alarm. Now, ladies and gentlemen, give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching this video.